Today we're going to make a yellow or red zone song. Click in my assignments. We have to recall what it means to be in the yellow and red zone in our zones of regulation. I encourage you to go to my music classroom, the link is in the lesson, and watch in the zones of regulation page, which is on my main page, zones of regulation. Watch the short little video, 1-minute video about yellow zone and red zone and what that means. We're going to go into Quaver Music and log in. And we're going to use the Grooves Lite. Now to make a song that sounds in the yellow zone, yellow meaning anxious or worried or maybe super happy, but you need to calm down a little because it's not the time to be overly happy, like when you're getting ready for school or you're trying to focus. So a very excitable, anxious, or just plain happy, over happy feeling. So let's first think about what feeling we're going to focus on in the yellow zone. If we're feeling anxious or worried, we're going to still stay in the minor keys and maybe throw in a couple major and definitely look at our B diminished sounds. So we're going to use music to tell a story by picking these different tones. Now I might want to change the tempo and make it presto, which is a lot faster. And I want to think about my instrumentation. I may want to add some synthesizers. Now remember, if I use a B diminished chord first, I'm going to have to also select B diminished or whatever chord I chose. And I'm going to add some percussion, definitely, to add a driving beat. Now I'm just making a really quick. And I'm going to go back and forth between these. All right, so here is my nervous song. And you're only required to make 8 measures. Now, if we're going faster, you might want to expand it to 16, but 8 measures is enough. Recall how to save your song. Save. And I'm going to call this my yellow song. And then I'm going to go to Menu and make an MP3. Menu and Download. And there's my yellow song, Worried. When you get to this screen, you're going to have to click the 3 dots and download it. Now, on your screen on a Chromebook, it's going to say Show in Folder. And I want you, if you need to, watch this video to continue. Hi everyone, this is a review video. Downloads folder I'm going to. So when we downloaded it, it's going to say show in folder. Now here I'm going to show in my folder. And there's my song that I made today. So I'm going to drag this now. It's in my downloads folder. I'm going to drag it to my Google Drive. Okay. Now I'm going to X out of this. I'm going to go back to, I have a tab at the top for my lesson assignment, my backbeat song, and I'm going to add. Click on your Google Drive. So, returning back to that part of the assignment, so here we are. We've saved your song. You've dragged it from your downloads to your Google Drive. You're going to add it from your Google Drive. And this is my song. Select it and insert it. Once you have it in, you say turn in. Yes, attach the attachment. Turn in. And that's how you would turn your song. Now in this exercise, we can do also 2 songs. You can choose yellow or red. So if I go back to grooves, I'm going to make a red song now. Now red is when you're out of control, angry, mad, scared, losing control, losing your temper, really feeling frantic, and you're out of control. So what does that sound like musically? I'm going to change my style and go to electro. Make it really dark and really fast. Add a lot of synthesizer. You want to probably pick sounds that are very gritty and just mad, right? I'm going to throw in some bass. It's really we're painting music with our emotions, and how does that affect us? And add some driving beats. So that's, add some other percussion in here, layering our sounds. Maybe some keyboards too. Now, just gotta save this, save, and make an MP3, download, there's my red song. Follow the same steps, click on the 3 dots, it'll say download, you click that, it's going to say show in folder, drag your recent song into your Google Drive. Now to add a second song, I'm going to unsubmit this, and I'm going to say add or create, and I'm going to connect a Google Drive, and I'm going to add another song file. Here's another song file. Yours will show up at the top. So now, oops, said it won't attach. So I'm going to try that again. If it says that, just do it again. All right. Oh, it's still saying I can't do it. All right, so I would add the second song here and turn it in, and then that would be adding in 2 songs. So you could make both of your songs and then connect them at the end, so then you would have 2 songs to attach right away, and it'll show immediately in your add Google Drive file. Mine looks different because I have different files, but it would show here. And that is how you make a yellow and red zone song. I look forward to hearing your emotions through music. Let me know if you have any questions.